Stopping mode adjusts the way your Tesla behaves when you lift off the pedals. Toggle it by tapping controls and then driving. As with any other car, press the brake pedal when you need to decelerate rapidly, regardless of which stopping mode is selected. When you lift off either pedal at very low speeds, creep gradually moves your Tesla forward, roll allows your Tesla to roll freely, and hold brings your Tesla to a stop and holds it there. We recommend hold. It maximizes range and efficiency while minimizing brake wear. In this mode, regenerative braking provides additional stopping force and is active at lower speeds when you lift off the accelerator pedal. The mechanical brakes are also automatically applied as needed to bring your Tesla to a gentle stop once you've lifted off the accelerator. Roll and creep still employ plenty of regenerative braking when you lift off the accelerator at medium and high speeds, but they require you to press the brake pedal to come to a complete stop. When close to or at a complete stop in roll mode, your car is free rolling, similar to when in neutral. It will roll downward on a slope. You need to press the brake pedal to stop and the accelerator pedal to send power to the wheels. When close to or at a complete stop in creep mode, a small amount of power is sent to the wheels when you lift off the brake pedal. This causes your Tesla to creep forward, like a gas car with an automatic transmission. Our vehicle hold feature will hold your Tesla still when you lift off the brake pedal even when stopping mode is set to creep or roll. Once stopped, press firmly on the brake pedal until this indicator appears. As long as the vehicle hold indicator is displayed, you can lift off the brake pedal and your Tesla will keep itself stopped. Simply press either pedal to disengage vehicle hold and continue driving.